So now I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your computer. So the first thing that you are going to do is that you'll need to download and install Xampp. So just open this website, and this website will be in the description of my video. So just one click on it and you should open the Xampp website. So after that, you'll need to click on download for Windows right here. And if you are on Linux, you can download right here. And also if you are on Mac, you can download it for Mac right here. So I'm going to click on Xampp for Windows and I'm going to simply download it, and I'm going to double click on the installer. So just wait for it to be installed and then click on yes. Then you should see this question. Just click on yes, then click on OK if you get this warning, then click on next and make sure that you check all of these boxes and click on next. And this is the destination of where you want to install it. So I'm going to install it in D. I have a folder called Xampp, so I'm going to select the folder and click on select folder, and I'm going to click on next, language English, next, and I'm going to uncheck this because I don't want to learn more about Xampp. So I'm going to click on next now and just click on next and wait for it to be installed. So after completing the Xampp installation, what you are going to do is that make sure that you click on finish, and you should have the control panel open. So this is the Xampp control panel. So I want you to click on start by Apache, and I want you to start the MySQL also. So after you activate these two modules, I want you to minimize this control panel, and I want you to go to this page, and also this page will be in the description of my video. So just open this page and then you will need to click on download and install right here. So just one click on it and download WordPress right here. So just one click on it and it should download WordPress. So when WordPress is downloaded, what you'll need to do is that you'll need to just open it, and here is the WordPress. And what you'll need to do is that you'll need to right click on it and just click on extract here. So now I want you to right click on that folder that you have just extracted and make sure you copy it or cut it, and then go to where you have installed Xampp. So I have it under D, then Xampp, then go to htdocs, and that's htdocs. So just double click on it, and then I want you to delete all of these folders, and I want you to right click here and paste it here. So just wait for it to be copied here, and once it's done, what you'll need to do now is that you'll need to close this, and I'm going to close this download folder also, and then I'm going to open Xampp control panel. Then from here I'm going to click on admin by MySQL, and when I do this, you'll notice that I'll have the databases here. So just one click on databases at the top right here, then just add WordPress here. So just type in WordPress and then change this to UTF-8 bin. So now I'm going to click on create, and once you do that, you will need to close this window, and then you are going to type in the browser localhost. So localhost, and when you do that, it should open the index, and now you'll need to click on this folder right here that says WordPress. So just one click on it, and then this is the WordPress installer. So just click on next, and now just click on let's go, and then this is the name. So the name should be WordPress, just like the database name, and this one is the username. So you'll need to change this to root, and make sure you remove the password. So just delete this one, and then right here you'll need to click on submit. So once you do that, you'll need to click on run the installation, and right here you'll need to add a site title here. So I'm going to call it my web. Alright, so my web, and I'm going to make the username the same thing, and I'm going to choose a basic password for myself, and I'm going to click on confirm use weak password, and then you'll need to add an email here. So I'm going to add something here, just a fake email. You don't have to type in a real email, just type in something at something. Then click on install WordPress. So once you do that, it will just install it, so just wait for it to be installed. Then it should show you this message saying success, and this is your username, so make sure you don't forget the username and the password. So click on login, and I'm going to type in my username, and I'm going to type in my password, and I'm going to click on remember me, and I'm going to click on login. So when I do that, so now you'll notice that this is our website, and now for example we can click on plugins, and we can click on add new, we can install Jetpack, we can do all of these things, and this is basically it. And I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, you can always let me know in the comments below. So thank you for watching to my video, and I will see you all in the upcoming video.